Mommy, give me a book. Okay, which one do you want? Jenny, Johnny, the hamster? The hamster, please. Give me the hamster. Once upon a time, a boy called John and his hamster. One day, the hamster was gone. Mommy, I want a hamster. Please. No, it will get out. No, it will do pop, pop. A box. If he'll stay in a box, okay. Thank you, Mommy. Give me a money. Here you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 euros. Thank you, Mommy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pet shop. Hello.
Hello.
Give me the hamster, please.
Do you have a hamster? Here you are.
Thank you. I want a box, please.
Do you have a box? Here you are.
Thank you. So that means 10 euros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 euros. Thank you. Where is the hamster? Here. The box. Hamster, the box. Michael, it's time to go to sleep. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Michael. Where is the hamster? Here, in the box. Good night, hamster. Good morning, Michael. Wake up, wake up. Good morning, Mommy. Where is the hamster? Here in the box. The hamster is gone. What did Mommy tell you? A hamster must stay in the box. Where is the hamster? Michael, have a look in the hamster is in the window. No.